Make way for the Pinoy Henyo Masters, PMPC Star Awardees Best Game Show Host, Vic Soto, and Best TV Show Host, Joey Dalian.
Yun ang mag-voiceover.
Yan ang okay na voice
Hindi
over.
katulad nung isa.
Alan Kay.
Wala.
The worst, 2010 worst voice-over announcer, Alan Kay.
Hello! Tawagin muna natin ang ating stewardess,
Ay.
Saina.
Mukhang foreigner lang, pero local.
Native. Okay. What do we have?
I have here kuchinta and I shave coconut.
What?
I shave coconut.
Shaved coconut. Okay. Yung kutsinta is kinda malata,
Yes.
Yeah. Did you shave?
I
This
shave,
one?
sir. I shave.
Did you want?
Yeah.
You shaved this
Yeah.
one, huh? Okay.
Is it clean, the shavings?
Yes, it's clean. I washed it.
Okay, very good.
Is your Conchita malambot?
Malambot, sir.
Oh, may I
And
touch?
it's,
What,
May I
sir?
touch your Conchita?
Sure, sir. You can touch it.
Oh, it's malambot.
how does it feel?
Very nice.
Huh?
Oh.
It's kinda
Oily.
kinda
It's
oily,
oily.
huh?
Let's try her.
Yeah.
May we try your Conchita?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. He'll just taste your kutsinta. Hey, where are you going?
Hey.
Oo. May exit ka na naman. He'll try first the kutsinta if it's good.
Oh, look, oh. There's...
Oh, there's butas.
no.
Why? Okay, try it.
Really?
The whole thing, sir.
The whole thing?
The whole thing, sir.
The whole thing.
Oh, there. It's yummy?
Yes, sir. You eat so well.
You try her Conchita one of these days.
Sure.
Nice. So
Is it
nice.
yummy?
So? Yummy.
Well,
A lot of shavings.
oh.
Okay.
All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go.